How to change password in Roblox. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your password in Roblox. Currently, I'm on the Roblox website, but keep in mind that you can follow the same steps in the Roblox application. If you're not logged in, go to the top right corner and click on Login. Once logged in, go to the top right of the Roblox page where the settings cog is located. Now, you need to click on Settings. Here, you will find account info under My Settings, and then find Add Passkey. In the pop-up, enter your current password followed by your new password. Now confirm the new password. Ensure your new password is secure and unique and not used on other websites. Click on Update and wait for the process to complete. You will see a confirmation message stating that you've successfully changed your password. Click on OK, and you're all set. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.